Plus 2 class. Next topic is microsporogenesis. This is also called pre-pollination changes. Pre-pollination changes. First we talk about pollen grain. This is pollen grain, 25 to 50 micrometer in diameter. This is its inner layer, that is called intine. This is outer layer, it is called axine. What is pollen grain? Pollen grain is immature cell of male gametophyte, or you can say it is the first cell of male gametophyte. It is the first cell of male gametophyte, and in this pollen grain that is newly formed, nucleus is present in the center, and development of pollen grain, it also takes place in the microsporangia or pollen sac. But along with this is the cytoplasm of pollen grain. Along with growth of pollen grain, vacuoles get developed and nucleus is pushed to a side. This is nucleus which is pushed to a side. This is outer layer, that is called axine. Axine is made up of sporopollenin, and these are development of vacuoles. Then next, further enlargement of pollen grain. How? Due to continuous absorption of food material or nutrient, and secondly development of these vacuoles. Along with vacuole, further enlargement of pollen grain, and this is the same outer layer, that is called axine. This is the outermost layer, it is called axine. This one. Then next to this, unequal division of cytoplasm take place. During this unequal division, there is formation of a cell that is called generative cell. This is unequal division of cytoplasm. Why unequal division? Because this cell that is formed, it is very small cell. This cell is formed, it is called generative cell, and nucleus of pollen grain, it becomes somewhat irregular. Then next is this is pollen grain. साइज आपने उतना ही रखना है जितना अभी ड्रॉ किया है. Then there are further outer layer axine, that is made up of sporopollenin, which is secreted by tapetum from the eubist bodies. Now there is development of a callose plug. This is cell that is called generative cell having a large nucleus. A callose plug is developed so that this cell become free from large cell of pollen grain, which is called tube cell. These are vacuoles. Then this is formation of callose plug. This is callose plug. Later on, this callose plug get dissolved. Now this is pollen grain. We draw its outer layer. All the content of pollen grain due to growth pressure is exerted that come out in the form of pollen tube. All the content of pollen grain, they come out in the form of pollen tube, and this is further layer, that is the outer layer, it is called exine, and this pollen tube, it is covered by intine, and this nucleus is called tube nucleus. Then in maximum plant, that is the 60% of angiosperm, pollination take place at this stage, that is called two-cell stage. Now bursting of this pollen grain take place. By the bursting of pollen grain, all the content, it come in the form of pollen tube. Then we differentiate this pollen tube. It is having the two type of cytoplasm. At the tip there is present active cytoplasm. In this active cytoplasm, at the tip is present tube nucleus. In the meanwhile, this cell, that is called now generative cell. Generative cell, it get divided into two male gamete, which is having the large nucleus, and they are covered by cytoplasmic sheath. These are covered by cytoplasmic sheath. So we consider them, they are the cell. This is tube nucleus. Then this is two male gamete or the male cells, and this cytoplasm is active cytoplasm, that is highly dense cytoplasm. Here is present vacuolated cytoplasm, that is having high vacuole, and at places callose plug are present. These are the callose plug which separate the old cytoplasm, that is inactive cytoplasm, from the young cytoplasm. These are called callose plug. And this is old cytoplasm, that is vacuolated cytoplasm. This is all about the change of pollen grain into male gametophyte. This structure, that is the last structure, this is called male gametophyte. First there is enlargement of pollen grain, division of nucleus into tube nucleus and generative cell, then division of generative cell into two male gametes, separation of active cytoplasm by inactive cytoplasm, that is vacuolated. Next we discuss in next lecture.